Dear students, in this video we'll study Introduction to State Variable Analysis. In that we'll study about concept of states, state variable and the state model. Introduction to State Variable Analysis. The state space model of linear time invariant system can be represented as, so first expression x dot equals ax plus bu, and the second expression is y is equal to cx plus du. The first and the second equations are known as state equation and the output equation respectively, where x and the x dot are the state vector and the differential state vector. So x dot is nothing but the differential state vector. U and y are the input vector and the output vector respectively. And A is the system matrix. B and C are the input and the output matrices, and D is the feed forward matrix. Concept of states, in that we'll study what is state. It is a group of variable which summarizes the history of the system in order to predict the future values. So future values is nothing but the outputs. State variable. The number of state variable required is equal to the number of storage elements present in the system. So for example, we can see current flowing through the inductor and current across the capacitor. So these are the storage elements, that are inductor and the capacitor. State vector. It is a vector which contains the state variables as elements. State variable and state model for electrical system. Consider the following series of RLC circuit. It is having an input voltage of Vi of t and the current flowing to the circuit is I of t. There are two storage elements, that is inductor and the capacitor in this circuit. So the number of state variables is equal to 2, and these state variables are current flowing through the inductor I of t and the current flowing across the capacitor, that is Vc of t. From the circuit, the output expression is V0 of t is equal to the voltage across the capacitor Vc of t. So V0 of t is equal to Vc of t. Apply the KVL around the loop. So Vi of t is equal to R into I of t plus L into di of t by dt plus Vc of t. So we are taking the voltage across the capacitor is Vc of t is equal to 1 by C integration of I of t into dt. So the differentiate the above expression with respect to time, that is dVc of t by dt is equal to I of t by C. State vector, that is state vector is x is equal to I of t and Vc of t. Differential state vector, that is x dot, that is differentiate of the above expression d of t by dt and here dVc of t by dt. So we can arrange the differential equation and the output equation into the standard form of state space model. So x dot is equal to, already we have written here, same expression I am writing here, di of t by dt and dVct of dt. This is equal to, so minus R by L minus 1 by L, and the second row is 1 by C and 0. That should be multiplied by I of t and Vc of t, and plus 1 by L and 0 Vi of t, where y is equal to 0 and 1 and I of t and Vc of t. So where A is equal to minus R by L minus 1 by L 1 by C and 0, and B is 1 by L and 0, and C is 0 1 and D is 0. State space model from transfer function. Consider the two types of transfer function based on the type of terms present in the numerator. Transfer function having a constant term in the numerator, and the transfer function having a polynomial function of s in the numerator. Transfer function having a constant term in the numerator. So consider the following transfer function. Y of s and u of s is b0 divided by s to the power of n plus a n minus 1 s to the power of n minus 1 up to a naught. Rearrange the above equation as s to the power of n plus a n minus 1 s to the power of n minus 1 up to a naught into y of s is equal to b naught into u of s. So for the above expression, we'll apply the inverse Laplace transform on both the side. If I apply inverse Laplace transform, that is dn y of t by dt to the power of n plus a n minus 1 dn to the power of n minus 1 y of t divided by dt to the power of n minus 1 up to a naught y of t is equal to b naught u of t. So now y of t is equal to x1 and dy of t by dt is equal to x2, or we can call it the differentiation of the above expression. So I can write it as x1 dot. Next x square y of t by dt square will represent it as x3, but is the differentiation of the above expression. So we'll write it as x2 dot. Then d to the power of n minus 1 y of t divided by dt to the power of n minus 1 will write it as xn, that is equals to x dot to the x dot n minus 1. So last term is d to the power of n y of t divided by d to the power of n is equal to xn dot. So and u of t is equal to u, then x dot n plus a n xn plus a1 x2 plus a naught x1 is equal to b naught u. From the above equation, we can write the following state equation as xn dot is equal to minus a naught x1 minus a1 x2 up to minus an minus 1 xn plus b naught u. The output expression will be y of t is equal to y equals x1. So now with the state space model is x dot is equal to x dot 1, 2 and up to x dot n minus 1 and x dot n. So this is equal to, we'll write the matrix. So 0, 1 up to 0, then second row is 0, 0 up to 0, and the third last one will write it as minus a naught minus a1 minus a2 up to minus a minus 1. It should be multiplied by x1 x2 up to xn plus 0, 0 up to b naught into the unit matrix, that is then output is equal to y is equal to row matrix 1 0 up to 0 and the column is x1 x2 up to xn.